I know your name. I didn't need any pity from someone named after a vegetable.
It's a fruit.
Well, it's a disgusting fruit, and I can't keep them down. I guess it's okay for a name, though.
Did you know that if you switch the first two vowels in olive, it becomes I love?
Did you know if you switch the first two vowels in William, it becomes William?
But you could switch the next two and it would be Will Aim.
Are these really the kind of things you think about?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm more of an Italian guy myself.
You're also a really great speller.
Really? Thanks.